Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 4, leçon M. And in this lesson we'll see how to conjugate together le verbe vouloir. Vouloir means to want, and it belongs to the third group of verbs in French, so irregular. So that's the reason why I think it's quite good to see the conjugation at the present form together. So here it goes. Vouloir, first person, je veux, final X not pronounced. Je veux. Tu veux, final X not pronounced, the same form. Il veut, final T not pronounced. Elle veut. Okay, so here, so far we've got one phonetical form, it's veut. Then for nous, classic ending, ONS, don't pronounce the S, just pronounce the on. Nous voulons. Nous voulons. Same thing here, classic ending EZ for vous, but then you pronounce it et. Vous voulez. Vous voulez. Vous voulez. And the last one, here, EU, and then ENT, classic ending, but then you don't pronounce it, so you get veulent. Veulent. Ils veulent. Elles veulent. Ils veulent, elles veulent. Okay, so let's repeat it one more time. Je veux, tu veux, il veut, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, ils veulent, elles veulent. So that's it for this lesson. It was leçon M. Well, you can find more lessons right here. Imagier is the name of the channel on YouTube, and then more material can be found there at imagier.net. Have a great day. Au revoir.